might be broken down, but I'm smiling. I keep my head up high, though I fail. Sometimes I get a bit emotional, but then I turn around and let it go. I see you watching me from a distance. To the woman I'm becoming, I see you.
Hey Queens and Kings, welcome back. Today we're doing a little Friday reset in the master bathroom. I'm ready to clean, refresh, and get this space back in order so I can head into the weekend with a fresh and peaceful home. So grab your cleaning supplies and let's reset the bathroom together. I like getting my cleaning done before the weekend whenever I can. There's something about starting the weekend with a clean bathroom. I'm not trying to make this a perfect cleaning day. I'm just getting things refreshed.
It won't be easy, but it'll be fun. Sometimes it goes the whole way up and down. I think you're ready now to leave the ground. Get in the fast lane, babe, you can make it. I promise I'll be there all the way. And if you get a little broken down, all that you gotta do is keep your head high. Let's get this.
Now, my vanity as well as my floating shelves usually the first place that started looking messy. I'm cleaning everything off so I can actually clean the surface properly. Once everything is wiped down and put back, the whole bathroom feels different. Now I know I can't be the only one, because when you just remove something off of your vanity, just a little bit of here or reorganize or whatever, start placing things back where they go, it feel like a difference.
Baby, I'm all yours. Oh, 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 oh.
Now don't ask me why I have so much stuff on this vanity. But somehow it become a catch-all and everything just comes on here. Just landing ground for everything. As you can see, air freshener, hair supplies, makeup, extra toothpaste, everything. Anything feminine, hair clips, all those things of the things.
Come and get it, come and get it, come and get it, come and get it, come and get it. If you are looking for one hell of a ride, just come and get it. Baby, I'm all yours. Tell me what you done for me lately. Baby, I see you hanging with your friends, chilling day and night for days on end. Now you can't come see me tonight. Say you ain't got the time. I'm the last one you prioritize. Peeping your IG pictures on my phone. I won't spend another night at home. Okay, I'ma just be on my way. You'll see I'm not the one you take for granted, babe. I know that life can be busy, love,
Remember I told you guys I do have another rug, but I actually gonna put that rug in the closet. So I'm gonna keep this little black one here, child. As you can see, it hides all of the trash and all the dirt.
It's what I deserve. Love.
But anywho, so we're removing everything up out of here. So therefore we can go ahead and sweep.
For me, done for me lately. Did your mind go on vacation, leaving your affection for me at home? Tell me what you done for me, done for me, done for me, done for me lately. Where's your heart and your attention? Where's the kind of love that I used to know, baby? Tell me what you done for me lately.
We're getting to the point of where things starting to come together. Even though we have not done the toilet or the shower yet, but this is what I mean by just cleaning off the surface, removing things, and it just feel like a breath of fresh air already. But most of all because this bathroom is smaller than the previous bathroom. So all I'm doing now is just pretty much restocking up on the Q-tips and the flosser and things like that, and the paper towel and toilet paper. So we go ahead and continue moving on. Okay, so some of you all are new here. Now, I am not the queen that likes to clean the toilet on camera. There's going to be a point where there's going to be a jump. You're going to see me starting off cleaning the inside of the toilet, and you're going to see that it closing. That's because I cut that out. I'm not the type to clean the toilet on the camera. I hate it. I hate it. I done it a couple times. When I say couple, that's one handful. And not even a handful. I could say maybe 3 times. I have physically done it on camera. But anyways, I just want to fair warn you all, because I will have the ones in the comment, you didn't clean the toilet. Yes, I did. I'm going to show you all momentarily. And then it's going to be a clip. And that's going to be it. Okay? So, yeah. But we got to get outside of the toilet. Definitely around the toilet. All up in the little nicks and crannies, because you know you can have hair, dust, urine if you don't have a person have a perfect angle or whatever, or you have kids. So yeah.
See it in your eyes. You want this even more. Like we're soulmates. Something we never felt before. Yeah, I don't mind taking my time. Let's stay in this bed now. Never get out. 'Cause I would love wasting time with you, baby.
So here's that moment. I start off with the toilet bowl cleaner, and then I have cleaned it off camera, and we closing it. That's it. I think it's so disgusting to see the toilet clean on camera. My preference. But anywho, we're moving on to the shower. Now, for the shower, I am using, what is that I'm using? Some Zip. I think I found it at the Dollar Tree or something. It works pretty good though, but I have heavy-handed son, so he uses it a lot. But we're gonna go ahead and just soak the shower down. So therefore we go ahead and just clean it. Now, I don't think I ever lived in a home where I just had a shower without a tub. So this was something a little different for me. Okay. But this is probably the part that procrastinates the most, where I'm getting all the buildup and residues out of here. I hate it. I really do hate it. But a clean shower, it just makes the entire bathroom feel more relaxing. Wouldn't you say? Now this little scrub I have here, I got it from Dollar General. You all recommend something down below that I can use. It did okay, but it didn't do what I needed to do. It didn't extend a lot, and this was the most that it would come out. But it did save my back some type of pain and everything. Honestly, I wanted to get in the shower and do this like I did before, but I was recording, that's why I was standing on the outside. I didn't want to get my camera or anything like that wet. But I'll get inside the shower and clean it. But do recommend me something down below if you guys use something to scrub your shower or whatever with. Okay.
So let me show you what I can do. Cause I don't mind.
So no, I'm not done with the shower yet. I am not. I am one of those people who's going to deep clean the bathroom. Even though my bathroom is very small, but I'm gonna get up into the nicks and crannies. It don't matter what size the bathroom is, and I could spend an hour in here to the max of cleaning a bathroom. So yes, I'm still cleaning the shower. I feel like I left some spots.
With you. Love is in the air tonight. I am yours, so hold me tight. Love is in the air tonight. Oh, love is in the air tonight. I am yours, so hold me tight. Love is in the air tonight. I see it in your eyes. You want this even more. Like we are soulmates, something we never felt before. Yeah, I don't mind taking my time. Let's stay in this bed now. Never get out. Cause I would love wasting time with you, baby. Cause I know it will be heaven making love with you. I would love wasting time with you, baby. Cause I know it will be heaven making love with you. Love is in the air tonight. I am yours, so hold me tight. Love is in the air tonight. Oh, love is in the air tonight. I am yours, so hold me tight. Love is in the air tonight. Night, night, night. Love is in the air tonight. I am yours, so hold me tight. Love is in the air tonight.
Now, the fresh towels, everything back in place, and clean floors. Yeah, chef kiss. Now let's be honest. How often you clean your bathroom floors? Do you mop it every time you clean the bathroom? Or is it once a week? Leave it down in the comment section. Let me know.
I'm jealous of your left side neck tattoo, cause it means so much to you, and it won't ever remove. I'm jealous of your day one cousins too, cause they knew you from the womb, and know all that you've been through. I'm jealous of the way the sun gets to shine on you. I'm jealous of the way the moon spends its nights, watching you snooze even in your sleep. You're so fine. Please tell me, babe, is it a crime? Can I just get all of your time? I'm selfish cause you're supposed to be all mine. So don't let the wind kiss your face. All mine. No, don't let nothing take my place. Supposed to be all mine. From the car you drive to the street you ride. I'm jealous. I'm selfish. All mine.
The shower is back to normal. Yeah, thank goodness. Also, the toilet. Everything is back good and clean now. As well as the sink. All right, y'all. Before we pretty much finish up the bathroom, because we are at the end, I did get me a wax here, a candle wax. So this is the new edition that I got from Amazon, and it pretty much mimicked the decor. So that means I'm gonna have to move that over there. Look how cute she is. Let's see. Put a light bulb in there. Oh, it actually have a light. I thought you could just, I thought it was honestly that you could just put a calendar in here, like the little ones from the dollar store. That's what I thought. So, let me put that on top. So we're gonna have to move this over here. I didn't want that there, but burn there for this to be in here. Oh, look how cute that is. I'm not gonna care for the card like that, so we're gonna see. Maybe this won't stay in the bathroom, but I like it because it's gonna make the aroma. That's cute, but that card gonna bother me. I have really been learning that resetting my home is also a way of resetting myself. When my surroundings feel calm and organized, I feel like I can breathe a little easier. It doesn't mean everything has to be perfect. I just want my home to feel like a place where I can rest.
I know it's you.
And that's our Friday reset. The bathroom is clean, refreshed, and ready for the weekend. Now I can actually relax and enjoy my time knowing I have a fresh space waiting for me. I see you all in the next vlog.
But you came in at just the right time. Yeah, you came in and blew my mind. Never knew that I could make a
All right, y'all, so the
world.
bathroom is back clean. Everything is back to normal, and I like that. But I don't know about this here. That cord gonna bother me, so I may find somewhere in the bedroom for this can actually go. But that is it for this reset.
Always envisioning, I know why. It's you. You inspire everything I do. You're the reason life feels so amusing. Your voice